What if I told you you could wear these glasses and convert your phone into a 330-inch display? Let's find out how. We're checking out the new Xreal Air 2 and Air 2 Pro. These are AR/VR glasses that can convert your existing devices into large, massive screens. Now, they simply plug in via a USB-C port into your device and convert whatever is on the screen into a big screen. A really good way to view content, and these devices also have inbuilt speakers in the stem. The good thing is that there are no batteries to recharge, and they are powered directly from your devices. Everything is dependent on the screen that is inside these glasses. So there are two Sony 0.55-inch micro OLED panels that are really high resolution. So they're 1920 by 1080. When you look at that resolution, you think it's only full HD, but at a 0.55-inch size, that gives you over 4000 pixels per inch, which is really, really sharp. The good thing about these is that you don't need to adjust the focus. When you wear them, you're automatically able to see whatever is on that screen. You also get prescription frames that can be attached. So if you do wear glasses, you can get prescription glasses made in this tiny frame that will also help you to see what the content is on these display glasses. The screens are a 46-degree field of view, and they are 120 Hz in terms of their refresh rate, and they have 500 nits of brightness. Xreal made an Air version of these glasses as well, which was the first generation that had only 400 nits of brightness and a lesser refresh rate, but that has also now been updated with a new firmware to 120 Hz. So all of their lineup, the Air, Air 2 and Air 2 Pro, now have 120 Hz of refresh rate. The Air 2 and the Air 2 Pro have 500 nits of brightness, and the Air 2 Pro has a really cool feature built in, which is the electrochromatic dimming. So you do have 3 levels of dimming. So the outside glass can be dimmed. So when you're viewing content on the glasses, you can dim out the rest of the world and get a better viewing experience. You can also use these blinders that are available with the glasses to completely black out. So if you're sitting in a place and you're not moving around and you don't want to be disturbed, you can basically black out the glasses to get a big cinema-like experience. Now, there are speakers that have an open ear design built in, and these give you spatial audio as well. And they are pretty impressive and loud to use, and they do not disturb people around you at all. You can also connect Bluetooth earphones directly to your device and then get audio from that. So for example, if you're using an iPhone, you can use AirPods to get that spatial audio experience. Now, Xreal also sells this device called the Xreal Beam, which allows you to have a standalone unit which not only powers the glasses but also gives you access to certain apps like Amazon Prime and Netflix to view content directly from that, so your phone or your device is not engaged. This also has a built-in screen mode, so you can not only put the display in a fixed position in the virtual space, so you get spatial video in this as well, but you can also have a follow mode, which is typical like when you connect your glasses. You can also increase or decrease the size of the screen in this virtual space. So in the spatial mode, you can push the screen back or bring it forward as per your requirements to get a better viewing experience. You can enlarge the screen to a massive 300+ inches, which makes for really immersive viewing experience. The glasses have built-in sensors, so you have a proximity sensor to detect when you wear the glasses or remove the glasses. You also have built-in accelerometers and gyroscopes that help with that spatial positioning. Overall, it's a pretty lightweight device as well, with the Air 2 coming in at only 72 grams and the Air 2 Pro at just 75 grams, which is super lightweight. You do get a USB-C to USB-C cable inside the box that has an angled tip that fits perfectly at the end of the stem and goes behind your ear, so it's not a big nuisance when you're using these glasses. Both the Air 2 and Air 2 Pro have two colors, the carmine red and the graphite gray. I like both of these. The carmine red looks really nice, so you can choose from these two colors. They're priced at £399 and £449 respectively. With the Pro model, you're getting the electrochromatic dimming, which I think is a really cool feature to have. But if you don't want to spend the extra money, you can always use the cover to black out the glasses if you're only viewing content and not moving around. You also get a Kaleido kit, which is basically decals that are pre-cut for your glasses, and you can install them and get different color modes. So we do have a denim kit over here that looks really nice. The Xreal Beam, which allows for things like spatial video and body anchor, has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of inbuilt storage, and it also has a 4000 plus milliamp hour built-in battery, which powers the glasses for about 3.5 hours. You also have DTS:X audio that is built in, and the fact that you can use the device itself as an Air mouse to input passwords and select content from the apps makes it really easy to use. Overall, these are really impressive, especially if you're consuming content or gaming and you want to do that as a solo person. These will really improve and make your experience immersive without spending thousands of dollars that you would need to for a home theater setup. Now, granted, you're not getting home theater audio from these. You would need a really nice pair of headphones to get that experience, but the display itself looks really massive and gives you a really immersive experience. And for what you're getting for the price, it directly connects to your devices, whether phones, tablets, consoles, or computers, to not only allow you to watch content, but also to game on these glasses. Pretty cool. If you're interested, we'll have links in the description below so that you can go check these out. If you enjoyed this video, smash like and hit that subscribe button for our upcoming content. I'll see you guys in the next one.